This video describes the role of the model builder in a Sentio review in a Relativity workspace. This applies to both Sentio AI and Sentio Maestro. The model builder role is straightforward and focused on classifying documents based on their content. After the administrator has configured Sentio, the model builder should log into Relativity, where they will be presented the list of accessible workspaces. Clicking the name of the workspace will navigate the model builder to the batches and documents to review. The model builder should select the Review Batches tab to display a list of batches. A batch should be available in the Sentio Model Builder batch set that has a blank batch status. The model builder should click the edit link of that batch to display a dialog that allows that batch to be checked out. After checking out the batch, navigate to the Documents tab. Open the Sentio Model Building Save Search folder and click on the Sentio Model Building Review Save Search. This will display a list of the documents selected for that batch. Clicking on the control number of the first row will navigate to the document viewer. Sentio models are built from the extracted text of the document, so it is recommended that the extracted text view is used when reviewing documents. The Sentio model building layout must be used to set the responsive designation to the document. After selecting the Sentio model building layout, click the Edit button. The Sentio Issue designation field will contain checkbox fields relating to each of the issue tags. Checking the issue indicates the document is responsive to that issue. If the issue is not checked, then it is considered to be non-responsive. A document can be responsive to more than one issue. If no issues are checked, the document is considered to be non-responsive. When the Sentio Issue designation is set, click the Save and Next button to move to the next document in the batch. On the last document in the batch, the Save and Back button should be clicked. It is very important that the Sentio Issue designation field is saved for each document in the batch. When the last document is saved, the next batch for the model building will be created. If any of the documents in the batch are not saved, the next batch will not be created. When the Save and Back button is clicked, return to the Review Batches tab. Check in the batch you have just processed and check out the next batch that has just been created. Then return to the Documents tab and continue the review. There are two other checkbox fields on the Sentio model building layout. If the model builder is not sure of the Sentio Issue designation for a document, they should set the Sentio Issue designations to the best of their knowledge, then check the Escalate to Sentio Quality Controller. This will place the document in the queue to be verified by the Sentio Quality Controller. Sentio builds models based on the content of the documents. The Exclude field provides an ability to deal with documents that would be considered responsive based on content, but would be considered not responsive based on demographic information. For example, an issue deals with mortgage documents from California. A mortgage document from Ohio is non-responsive to the issue because it is not from California, even though the content is very similar to the desired documents. In this case, the document should be flagged as non-responsive to the issue, but the Exclude from Sentio Model Building field should be checked so that the content does not influence the model to treat similar documents as non-responsive. This process of checking out a batch, reviewing all the documents in the batch, checking in the batch, and checking out the next batch should continue until the model building phase is complete.